Good evening and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank You Miss Lou is the theme of the tribute concert to be held by the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC, to commemorate the 98th anniversary of cultural icon, the Honorable Louise Bennett Coverley's birth. The concert is set for this Thursday, September 7, and will feature some of Jamaica's best in the performing arts, including comedians Oliver Samuels and Owen Blacker Ellis, alongside the headline act, reggae artist Nesbeth.
You see now, this nurse girl, she lost her job. So she went to her auntie who was a higgler woman. Now auntie only knew how to higgler. So she said, well, you have got to come and do what I do. That's the only thing I can teach you. So she packed one bankrupt well and she carried a street next morning to go land her house for sale. Me start for holla. Pumpkin, pear, ripe plantain going poo. Me got breadfruit. Here the gal back at me. Me too.
The concert will be staged at the Louise Bennett Garden Theatre at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Centre, and of course, E-Prime will be there to bring the highlights. Idonia's Yeah Yeah goes mainstream. The dancehall Crona's hit single has officially been added to the UK's mainstream radio lineup, alongside music from international artists like Drake, Rihanna, Rick Ross and French Montana. The track, which was dubbed Idonia's biggest dancehall single this summer 2017, has been earning the artist much hype since its release on July 1, most recently performing the song at Pepsi's Refresh Tour last week.
You know the thing going on, we just there do the works and the people receive it, so it's a blessing, you see me? I don't know, say, Aja works, you know, so I have to just stay and give thanks and just know, say, stay focused on harder work, so I don't know, some are burn up, you see it? Now just one of them songs that will catch them kind of off guard, and it's a different side that I do on them, because normally we don't go party, we don't go rare, you know, so it's a difference and the timing was just perfect. Well, Europe was great, you know. First time in my career, I get to do some festivals. I did like 3 or 4 of them. You see me, this big bag, a huge crowd and whole heap of thing. Different experience, but we loved it, you see me.
In international stories, rapper Lil Wayne has reportedly been hospitalized following an epileptic seizure. He was reportedly found unconscious in his Chicago hotel room on Sunday and then rushed to the hospital where he had another seizure. The Grammy Award-winning artist, whose real name is Dwayne Carter Jr., was hospitalized just a year ago for the same condition. He expressed after that he is most prone to bouts of fits when he is stressed, lacks rest, and has overworked himself. Lil Wayne was set to perform in Las Vegas on Sunday night, but understandably, the event had to be cancelled. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you so much for watching.